Good morning. It's for some reason in the 40s this morning in Florida, but it's not bad. Doesn't feel bad. We got a call over the weekend. Funny smell coming out of the unit, which as a HVAC technician, you automatically assume it's heat strips kicking on, and it's haven't kicked on in a while. But it doesn't say in heat or in cool mode, so we're gonna go over there, talk to the homeowner, see what's going on, and try to figure it out. If I'll bring you guys along with me, and possibly get her signed up on maintenance, because if it's just a dirty system, then we got to clean it. But we're headed there now. We'll see you when we get there. I think we're doing like a small maintenance here. Not exactly sure. Hello, good morning. I'm Matt. I don't, in case of kids and stuff, I don't want to.
Most of the dogs just knew. I'm sorry, we have a little dog, but she's a little guard dog. Are you okay with dogs?
Yeah, I'm fine.
If you hire her, she might stop barking.
A little Frenchie.
Yeah.
See? Goodness.
Hey, come on. Muffin. No.
It's okay.
Sit down. No. Sit down. Sit down. No.
So you guys are having a funny smell?
Yeah, so when we run AC and when we run, you're going to have to go outside.
April air.
Yeah, so if you run the AC and the AC is worse, the heater has a little bit, but the AC is pretty musty.
Okay.
So when we turned it back on to rerun it again, when I warmed up one day, or
You only have one system for the house?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay. So we'll turn it on. Let's see if I can smell it. Filter looks clean. You know where the inside unit is, the air handler? Sounds like it's right here.
I think it's in here, yeah.
Yeah, it's right here. As soon as it kicked on, I was like, well, it sounds like it's right here. Oh, okay. Alright, so dirty sock syndrome. That's exactly what that was. I wish you guys could smell the video. But the epitome of a gym room. Like, I let it run for 15 minutes in cool mode, and you could really smell it. Like, it got really strong. And I've seen it a lot lately, only on the train evap coils. I don't know why. Like, yeah, it happens on the other ones, but usually it doesn't happen that often. That was a call on for my next call I'm going to. It's just for system maintenance. But I forgot where I was at. But dirty sock syndrome. For some reason, Train has I've had multiple since last summer of dirty sock syndrome, and it seems like it's on the newer systems, and it's not the newer coils, like the brand new ones they went back to, but the ones that kind of overlap. Well, as soon as the homeowners put this in heat pump in the heat mode, and it gets hot in that coil, it, like, whatever coating they put on the coil from the manufacturer deteriorates. And then when they put it in cool mode and the moisture builds up from humidity and everything collecting on that coil, the microbacteria, whatever is on that coil, just enhances, and that smell just goes everywhere. It seems like what's been happening. So Train, I think they know what problem they have, because they have come out with this coated coil, and I've done one before, I think, on here, but it's like a black coated coil to fix this for good. And you have to order that special coated coil, or you're taking a chance of the new coil doing it also. So we're ordering that special coil. We'll come back and get that replaced for them. It is under warranty and all that good stuff. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that dirty sock syndrome, that one smelled like a gym sock, like bad. I haven't had one smell like that in a while. I have had some that smell like wet dog, animal pee, like all sorts of stuff. And you know it's dirty sock because, like, it comes out of not just one vent. It's like all the vents is happening from the air handler, and only you can smell a little bit in heat mode, but only in cool mode when that coil gets wet. Because in heat mode, it seems to have that smell go down a little bit. I soaked it in cool cleaner. Maybe that'll get them by for a little while, but it never holds forever. Cool cleaner as a whole, there's a biocide, whatever treatment you can do, and a coating you can do, but I felt like that's just a band-aid dude. It doesn't really hold forever. Eventually you'll be back and doing the same thing again. The best case scenario is replacing that evap coil and taking care of it from the get-go. So that's what we're doing here. This is a little short video. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. As soon as I walked in and put it in cool mode, you can smell it. I talked to her for a little bit before. Definitely what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all.